What's going on, family? Just want to check in with you for a second, man, to vent. I just want to talk about something, man, that just irritates me, that really rubs me wrong. I can't lie, especially when you're dealing with business out here. I hate it when a company or a person would try to use Jesus' name to do business in order to take advantage of you. Like, they'll come to you like, oh, I'm a Christian too, and then they do you. And I'm going to keep it real with you. Those are the worst ones. The last time I checked, when Jesus went into the synagogue and seen them doing business in the synagogue, he threw tables over. He said, nah, you don't do this. So keep this business in God. This, you want to keep your business honest, real. But don't use God's name to deceive somebody with business and try to act like, oh, I'm such much a Christian, and then you beat this person. Man, I'm going to tell you what, man, that's a lot of that going on out here. People would try to use Christ's name in vain to do business. When I come to you for business, I'm not using anybody's name but mine and my work ethics and what I have accomplished. I'm not saying, oh, I'm this type of person so that way I can gain your business. No, I'm not going to do that. My work ethics is going to gain your business. My references. But don't use Christ's name to deceive somebody in business. Karma. Karma gonna get you, man.